more than 1 million Jeep owners were told to park outside because an affected Wrangler or Gladiator can catch fire with the ignition off. On June 9, 2026, NHTSA issued an urgent park outside warning for certain 2021 to 2025 Wranglers and Gladiators. The warning covers 1,076,999 U.S. vehicles, certain Wranglers and Gladiators spanning 5 consecutive model years. NHTSA says it is aware of 51 fires and 1 injury likely connected to this power steering defect. Turning the ignition off doesn't remove the defect. NHTSA warns a fire can still occur while the vehicle is parked. The electric hydraulic pump creates steering pressure, but its wiring connection is the fire risk point behind this recall. Electrical resistance creates heat. If nearby material overheats, this steering system fault can become a fire, even while the Jeep is parked. That's why NHTSA's instruction is blunt. Park outside, away from buildings and other vehicles, until the recall repair is complete. If you own a 2021 through 2025 Wrangler or Gladiator, don't guess. Your VIN reveals whether this recall includes your Jeep. If your VIN is included, contact a Jeep dealer. The inspection and required recall repair are performed at no cost to the owner. Technicians inspect the pump connection, wiring, and nearby material for damage or overheating, then follow the official procedure to repair the vehicle. If inspection finds a problem, the dealer repairs or replaces the affected wiring, connection, or pump under Jeep's official recall procedure. The repair isn't finished until the steering system passes validation. A secure connection, normal operation, and no abnormal heat during testing. Repairing more than 1 million vehicles requires coordinated VIN checks, dealer appointments, inspections, and parts distribution across the country. Open recalls follow the vehicle, not the owner. Before buying a used Wrangler or Gladiator, check the VIN, not the seller's promise. NHTSA says it is aware of 51 likely related fires and 1 injury, the pattern behind an urgent park outside warning. This is a safety recall, not a driveway repair. Don't probe the wiring, check the VIN, and contact an authorized Jeep dealer. If smoke or fire appears, move everyone away, never open the hood, stay at least 100 feet back, and call 911. Your plan is simple. Park outside, check the VIN at NHTSA.gov/recalls, then schedule the no-cost dealer repair. More than 1 million Wranglers and Gladiators are included. Until your Jeep is repaired, park it outside and check your VIN today.